Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how to make a seamless panty. Stay tuned. Okay, so you will need 2 front piece and 2 back piece. Place them right side together and sew. So you're placing the 2 front piece right side together and the 2 back piece right side together. Leave a small opening to turn it over. Going to leave the 2 side seam open and the cut seam open, because we're going to put the back part into the front part to sew it down and turn it over. The part for the back, we're going to turn it over on the right side. And the part for the front, we will be leaving it on the wrong side. This part probably look very difficult, but trust me, it's very easy to do. So we're going to place the back part of the underwear inside the front part. Make sure it's laying flat when you pin it together. Before you sew it, make sure it's laying flat.